I have created this WhatsApp chatbot which has automated my entire WhatsApp conversation. Whenever I receive a new message, all the queries are automatically handled by the AI agent. Here I am going to show you how I have created this AI agent. I am going to open my WhatsApp and send a message. Do you provide legal notice and how quickly can they be prepared? Now here, this is the business which I am running, and based on the business only I am going to send a question. Let's wait for the reply. Here if I receive the reply, then this is going to show us this AI agent which I have created using Pabbly Chatflow is working completely fine or not. Here I have received this message. Yes, we do. Legalese drafts and sends legal notice within 24 hours. How to start? Other useful info with the rest of the details. You see, this is the message which I have received. I'm going to ask another question. What are your charges for contract drafting and review? I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. This is the message which I have received. Here are our standard charges for contract service, contract review, contract drafting, complex commercial contracts. But what affect the price? How to proceed? Then we have the rest of the details. I'm going to ask a final question. I want to register a trademark for my business. What is the process, timeline, and pricing? I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here I have received this. Yes, we handle trademark registration, price, process and next steps. Pricing, trademark registration is 8,000, process is this, timeline is this, and it has provided me a detailed solution to the query which I was asking. You see, this is how my AI agent is working and resolving the queries. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow, then let's start creating this from the beginning. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can create a chatbot which can automate our WhatsApp conversation. For this, we are going to first visit Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, we have to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, we can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in. And if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. And this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not. And when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Here, as I am an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Chatflow, access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where I will be able to find the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. Click on this WhatsApp connect, which is a preferred method, or you can also use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to get the step-by-step process, the detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Also on the left-hand side, we have very most important features of Pabbly Chatflow. The detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Now on the left-hand side, we have this option of AI assistant. I'm going to open this to create this AI agent or a WhatsApp chatbot. Here I've landed towards this AI assistant page. We can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant, and the inactive AI assistant. To create a new AI assistant, I simply have to click on this add AI assistant, and let's first name it as Legalese Associates, and then simply click on this add AI assistant. Now here I have landed towards this page from where I'm going to start creating this AI assistant. The first one here, we have this as AI instruction. I'm going to select the instruction type as AI agent. You can enhance the instructions according to the requirement. Then we have this AI configuration, under which the first one is this temperature. Set how the creative AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. If I go from 0 to 1, the creativity of how this AI is answering will enhance. I'm going to keep it as 0.7. The AI to use will be OpenAI. The model will be GPT-5 mini, and then we have this API key. Now under this API key, a hyperlink is given, and if I click on this, I will be redirected towards the API keys page of OpenAI. To create a new token, you simply have to click on this create new secret key. First, you have to provide the key names. So let's say the key is ABCE. The project will be default project. The permissions will be all, and then you simply have to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you have to copy and paste that over here. After which you have to click on this connect. website, and you will see OpenAI key saved successfully. Next one is this AI assistant settings. So if you want to provide the header message and the footer message, you have to toggle on these buttons, enter the message, and it will start displaying. Then we have the stop keyword. Now when the user do not want to get the replies from the AI agent, or it wants the AI agent to stop replying or sending the message, then the stop keyword can be sent by the user. You can add as many as stop keyword as you want. You have to write that word and press enter. In this manner you will be able to add the stop keyword. Then we have this retry attempt. So over here the valid range is 1 to 10. You can enter the retry attempt according to the requirement. When the AI fails to respond, or when the question or the query is not resolved, how many attempts do you want to give to the AI agent to resolve the query. Then we have this fallback message. So I have entered here it as, I am here to assist with questions related to company information or support. If you have any question about a service or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask. You can enhance the fallback message, or you can add the contact details to the company information, so that whenever the queries are not resolved, at least the contact details are sent to the user and they can contact you directly. Moving on towards the next part, here we have this knowledge source. I have selected it as upload file. I am going to click on this cloud, and I have already downloaded that file. I am going to click on this add new file, go towards this cloud again, and then I am going to go towards the downloads, and I have already downloaded this. So I'm going to open and then click on this upload file, and one file uploaded successfully. So here I have uploaded the file. I'm going to select this, insert this. In this manner I have uploaded the file. Here it is, file uploaded and proceeded successfully. Now I'm going to open the file which I have created. So this is the file. You can see the name, legalese, associates, complete knowledge base for WhatsApp AI chatbot, company overview, about the firm, service offered. Then we have all the services which I am offering with the price details, consultation process, step by step, appointment booking, required documents, payment, refund, data privacy, everything. I have added everything about my business, and based on these details only my AI agent was responding to all the queries. So you have to create a very detailed knowledge base based on the business, product and service. You have to download this from here. Go towards the download, click on this .txt or .pdf format. You can choose two formats, and once it is downloaded you have to upload in the manner I have uploaded it. But if your PDF has images, the limit is up to 10 pages only. Then we have this assistant interface. I am going to keep the heading name like this. You can see it changing over here. So you can change the heading, you can change the subheading. If you want to keep it, you can keep it. If you want to remove it, you can remove it. Then we have this initial message based on which the AI agent replies to the initial conversation sent by the user. Here I have added one. You can add two initial messages. Then we have this display by powered by Pabbly. I have kept it enabled. You can also disable this and it will be removed from here. I am going to keep it enabled. Then we have this footer text where I have added privacy policy, and the footer link I have added link to privacy policy. Then I have this user first message where I have added I need help. Now it is not necessary that whenever this I need help message is sent by the user, only then my AI agent is going to respond. It is going to respond based on any message. Then we have the styling, which is the last part. So I have selected the theme mode as light. You can select it as dark also, and you will see this changing over here. We have this assistant shape, circle, square, rounded square. Again, you can select this according to the requirement. Then we have this assistant background color, text color, button color, chat bubble text color. You can set this according to the requirement. We have this header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and the background picture. Just in the manner we have uploaded the knowledge base, you can upload it. After doing all this, you simply have to toggle on this button and save the AI assistant. In this manner, you have saved this AI assistant. You can also embed this AI assistant to your website using this code. And whenever someone clicks on that, they will be redirected towards the WhatsApp conversation. Moving on towards the next part, here we have to see how we can assign this AI assistant to a particular group of contacts, to all the contacts, or to a contact. For that, on the left hand side, we have this option of inbox. I'm going to open the inbox in a new tab. So here I have landed towards my chat. I simply have to click on this choose AI assistant, select the AI assistant which I have created, save this. In this manner I have assigned this AI assistant to this particular chat. But doing this manually and to particular chat is very time consuming, so that's why what we can do, we can assign this AI assistant to a particular group of contacts or to all the contacts. For that, on the left hand side we have all these options. I'm going to open the settings and inbox settings in a new tab. Now here I have landed towards the inbox settings. If I scroll down, I have this option of AI auto reply settings. I have kept this enable AI auto replies on. I have to select a particular list. I have to select the AI assistant to that list. I have to select another list, I can select another AI assistant to that list. I can add more rules like this, select the contact list, select another AI assistant to that list. And I can also select all the contacts and select another AI assistant to all the contacts. Simply save the rules in this manner. This particular AI assistant will be assigned to a particular list or to all the contacts. So this is how we have created this AI assistant. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we'll try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to know the pricing plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.